Welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to combine braids to make a heart braid. Firstly, we need to make sure the hair is totally brushed with no knots. Then you take your sections so that you can get your heart braid into a ponytail. So here I'm just making sure we comb out the hair and take the section with the tail comb. I'm using the Lorna Evans big comb, and we just take one section of the heart just for a shape, and this we put into a ponytail. Just to define your shape, you just use the end of your tail comb to take out your sections for your dip in your heart, and then you just put that into a ponytail. This is probably the fiddliest part of the style, just to get that shape correct on the top of the head. So to get that nice shape into a heart, just check it before you put your ponytail in. Secure the ponytail and then continue to just plait your ponytail. Splitting the back into two sections. Now we're going to just Dutch braid both sides. If you haven't seen the Dutch braid, I have got a Dutch braid tutorial if you want to go back onto one of the links earlier, and you can learn how to do a Dutch braid first. But just to recap, I always keep the back of my hand to the back of the head when I'm doing a Dutch braid, because that way I can keep the tension and I don't get lost. So it's really important. A lot of people braid over the top, their hands over the top, but I braid with my hands to the back of the head, so the flat of my hand to the back of the head. I just find that much better to keep tension. Braid halfway down. Now I take the plait and use that as one of the sections in the Dutch braid, and then we just continue as a normal Dutch braid. See how here we have actually combined that braid into the Dutch braid. Side we just do a normal Dutch braid and plait it all the way down to the end and secure them into a ponytail, and we're done. So now I've shown you how to combine a couple of different braids into each other. Leave comments below for other things you'd like me to teach you, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and have an amazing day.